world of YouTube, another night video. I'm out walking the pug. Little bastard he is. Now, due to I got an early frickin' meeting tomorrow for horse poop. I wanted to go over a noise I heard. I did catch it on my other camera, mind you. You can barely hear it in the video, but it is in my video where I am trying to chase this damn... I was told it was a possum. But I mean, the way the damn thing happened that night, and the thing disappeared. To me, it was like a friggin' ghost. But while I was out in this brush area, and from a distance, you can't see it, but that little white light you see in there, over there, there it is. I mean, that's a set of woods out there. If you see any of my day videos of this. But of course, this once was a brook. And now we are infested with power lines and what forth. But beyond all that is the river. Manus, not brook. What it looks like a friggin' gully for a river, for crying out loud. But, in them woods is where I heard that noise that night and caught it. It sounded like a friggin', I said in the video, it sounded like a friggin', like a messed up tranny buzzing. But when I heard it on the night vision camera, I mean, the reason why you can't, if anybody didn't notice that or not, is because the wind was blowing that night. And in the camera part of my night vision camera, the wind didn't even affect it that much, and you could hear it a lot better. But I gotta record it off the phone when I get a chance. Of course, I gotta turn the TV up loud just to get the noise, but it's there. And it's I don't know what the hell it was that night. All I do know was screeching type cries. Like I said, it sounded like a friggin' tranny buzzing or something. But when I heard it up more closer, it wasn't no friggin' tranny. And that being said, of course tonight, like I said, I can't get out there tonight. I was gonna take a walk over there, but I can't bring the dog over there. There's too many busted branches and stuff where it'll cut his paws, especially walking at night. But I am bound to get over there. Hopefully it don't snow tomorrow like they said. It is supposed to get colder. Go mind you, I friggin' got caught up. Can't do things much now because the meeting's coming up and I'm gonna get up and be there at 8 a.m. Sucks. I mean, other than that, I want to get over in that area anyways. I gotta do a day video, so I'm gonna try to. And then I want to get over there at night, which I will. Whatever that noise was. And like I said, it was that night that I seen the damn animal up against the wall there, but other than that, I gotta, like I said, maybe it did make it. If it was a possum and it made it over there, must have been who knows what it was doing. And I think they do make that kind of screeching noise. So whatever the case may be, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm dying to get somewhere, boy, where there's something. Ghost, spirit. Oh, and I wanted to mention, right? That's what I wanted to mention. now that I have the night vision and that it is cold, it would be better to go where I began my journey of ghost hunting, at the Clinton Train Tunnel. Yes, sirree. And there I got some like scuffing of rocks. And like someone taking their feet and scratching it on the rocks. Something like this. Like that. From a distance. But I mean, that night I did have, you know, the family there. But they had ran out of the tunnel. Of course, you know, I'm sure people who hear it, and I got the times up on that video of when it happens, probably thinking, oh, that's them in the distance, but it wasn't. But now, got night vision. And I'm going to plan on getting back to the Revolutionary Cemetery. See if I can catch that knock again. Got some good plans coming up. Just gotta get the damn time. And already my fingertips are frozen out here. And I can't stand this damn cold. It cuts into my time. But other than that, I do have a meeting tomorrow, so sucks. Gotta get up early. Yeah, other than that, also got to get back to that Russell Farm area. That was a good one, but of course, right, didn't have a good enough camera to see down the road, the light glowing. But I'm going to get back there, mark my word. Other than that, first stop's going to be out in these damn woods. Oh yeah, maybe in a couple nights. Hopefully this damn weather warms up again. Always friggin' getting something I want to do done at the wrong time. Mind you. But other than that, it's a great full moon out tonight. I guess we had the blood moon or something. I don't know, it would have been nice to get out at 3 a.m. Who knows? Maybe I'll put something up. Put the other camera up tonight. See what happens. But then again, I haven't had nothing going on in this house to the effect that whatever was here before, I think is gone. So, I don't know. Other than that, give me a few days, couple days. I'm going to see what I can get out in them woods. See what that damn noise was. And I want to get back to that Clinton Tunnel. And I was supposed to get to the Hoosac Tunnel. Oh, the bloody pit. I just had to figure out a way how to get into that sucker tunnel. So I can, damn dog, get into that. So, get into it. Damn dog will make me forget. Without running into a train, that's what I wanted to say. Other than that, I gotta get out of here. Dog's having a fit. Another dog walking. Till next video. Be safe, take care. Believe.